What's going on, guys? iFly229, and I got another package unboxing. I should be having another one in a couple of weeks, but this one's from Team Rated CDS. He sent it to me randomly. I have no idea what's in it, so yeah, let's get to it. I don't know what that was, but I thought I should probably pull it apart. So, mystery whatever number 1. Jesus Christ. Really, Cody? I don't have any scissors. Do an unboxing, he says. I see a Kofi Kingston. Jesus Christ, mate. Holy fuck. Okay. So there's a Christian head. Another Orton head. An Undertaker head with a mohawk. Another Daniel Bryan head. This would be good on the Elite 19. More heads, Jesus. Another Damien Sandow, or a Damien Sandow head. An Ambrose head scan with the neck piece still in. How the hell am I gonna get this damn tape? Apparently like this. What the fuck? So an Elite WrestleMania 21 John Cena, it looks like, with the shillelagh. Is this Goldust's hair? Cesaro, oh god. See, I seen the shirt and I thought it was a Kofi. The ECW Championship, a Kofi Kingston t-shirt, and a new Cesaro. Hey. Good, I really needed a Kofi Kingston shirt. And a new Cesaro. And that's it. So, it's a bunch of random stuff. I mean, I didn't ask for it. It was free, so good bit of stuff. I didn't even notice the Chris Jericho head. Well, don't go asking Cody for free shit. Cena looks like He-Man with this Goldust hair on. Anyway, again, like I said earlier, I should have another unboxing soon. Yeah. Probably gonna go put all these heads on now. So, thanks for watching. See you guys again soon.